This is the 5-nipple lamb feeding bucket. The 5-nipple design allows multiple lambs to feed simultaneously, saving labor and time. The bucket is suitable for both calves and lambs. Simply swap the nipples to switch between species. A silicone sealing ring inside ensures excellent leak-proof performance. Comes with hooks for easy hanging in barns or pens. Can also be mounted directly onto wooden boards or walls using nails or screws. This feeding bucket is easy to clean and highly versatile.